Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. Polestar will additionally grow its electric vehicle arrangement with the send-off of its third model and its most memorable SUV. The Polestar 3 will impart pieces to the forthcoming third-age Volvo XC90, however will be fueled by a one-of-a-kind powertrain. The Swedish automaker currently declares the authority presentation of the Zero Outflows hybrid is planned for October this year, and the clients will actually want to arrange it upon the arrival of the worldwide debut. The authority declaration is concealed in an official statement summing up Polestar's deals and monetary outcomes for the initial 4 months of the year. The organization accepts it can possibly develop altogether with the send-off of the Polestar 3, as the SUV market is one of the greatest development and edge portions in the auto business today. We accept our future development will be additionally sped up by our entrance into the rewarding SUV market in the not-so-distant future with the world debut in October of the hotly anticipated Polestar 3 electric execution SUV. Polestar 3, which will be made in the US and China, will stand apart among other SUV contributions and lift areas of strength for us direction to bring us into our next stage, Thomas Ingenlath, Polestar CEO, says. We don't realize many insights about the Polestar 3, however we truly do realize it will be accessible with a couple of electric engines. It will be sold exclusively in two-line design and will be situated as a more costly, more rich, and sportier item than the Volvo XC90. As referenced over, the two SUVs from Sweden will be founded on a similar stage, however the Polestar 3 will be outfitted with elite simply electric powertrains. The model will be inherent the United States. Concerning Polestar's deals results, the organization gladly says it has conveyed a record number of new vehicles during the initial 4 months of the year. Around 13,600 vehicles have been conveyed all over the planet or beyond, twofold contrasted with a similar period last year. Polestar is currently present in 23 business sectors with the objective to arrive at 30 business sectors toward the following year's end.